Hey, what's going on? It's me Jitin and welcome to GrabVid Honest Review. In this video, I'm going to talk about GrabVid, its price and upsells, and some cool bonuses are ready for you. To get these bonuses, check the links in description and buy the product from my link. I will be get back to these bonuses later in this video. So right now, I'm going to log into dashboard. You can search for a YouTube video or upload your own video. So you can search any YouTube video from this search bar, and you can also upload videos from your computer by just clicking on this link, upload my video. Then repurpose it by transcribing it and using that as voiceover and converting into another video. So after uploading the video or the YouTube video, the GrabVid will automatically transcribe your videos and converts it into auto captions using artificial intelligence within minutes. So it sounds good. So let's search the YouTube video. Let's try something different, not related with marketing. Let's say how to train dog. So as you can see, there are so many videos related with my keyword. Even search results are in millions. So that is pretty amazing. You have kind of unlimited free content here. So let's choose the first video. Okay, there is one more option here, filter. You can filter your results from here by date, rating, video duration and features. So you can choose video with common license also. So for right now, I am going to ignore all of this and let's choose the first video. Click on repurpose this video. Now GrabVid is in action mode and transcribe the video for you. So actually GrabVid is doing things by itself, we have to just choose our niche or category and we can start the things. So it's ready. Now from here you can edit the transcription as per your requirements. On the left side here are few options. Option number 1, choose voiceover. You can select a new voiceover. Both male and female voices available in different language. So let's check few of them. Joy.
This is a sample sound.
Jonah.
Hello, this is a sample sound.
Okay, so you can preview it and choose as per your preferences. So select. Now as you can see, the whole text is in one big paragraph. Okay, so we don't have to divide this para or edit each line for punctuations. Just click on add punctuation and GrabVid will do the things for you. Let's click it. Are you sure? If you punctuate, all your advanced voiceover settings will be lost. Yes, punctuate. Please wait, punctuation can take a while. So meanwhile, let's check out the bonuses. So if you are going to click the link in description box below, you will redirect to this page. By clicking this button, you will be redirect to the sales page. Buy the product and you will get all these bonuses instantly. So bonus number 1, how to explode your YouTube channel. This bonus will help you to find best keywords and secrets to building up a YouTube channel fast. Okay, bonus number 2, royalty free background soundtracks. You can access to over 500k royalty free background music tracks. So both of these bonuses will help you with GrabVid or even with any video editing software. Next bonus is 90% of your AdWords spend. So by its name, it will help you with AdWords. Next is unlimited traffic mantra. It will help to generate traffic to your videos and you can maximize your profits. Apart from this, I would like to give you some insane bonuses that will help you to generate passive income on the internet. Also, few more unannounced bonuses will surprise you in access area. So that's not all. I'm also giving you some more bonuses like video script template, video analytics, article helper and few more. So you just have to tap this button, buy the product, and these high bonuses will be available instantly on your ZeviZoo purchase area. And you have to just press this blue button. For the links, check out the description box below. Okay, so let's get back to the dashboard. As you can see, this is what a punctuated content is look like. So for this demo, let's cut some text and edit the text like here are 2 commas, so delete the first one, remove slashes and also this comma also. So now it's perfect. Let's move to the next option, advanced voiceover options. So right now, as you can see, only pause option is highlighted. Okay, to highlight these options, you just have to select the sentence or text from where you want to add effects. For example, let's select because we have tons of big hyper dogs now. Okay, now you can see all options are available. You can change emphasis from strong to moderate or reduced. You can change pitch, volume and other options as well. Okay, so before changing the voice effects, let's play the voiceover. So you have to just click on this button.
This one's particularly interesting, though, because we have tons of big hyper dogs now. As you know, I love working with hyper.
So for this demo, I'm going to change the voice drastically. So when I hit the play button, I can get to know that it actually working or not. Okay, so let's play it.
This one's particularly interesting, though, because we have tons of big hyper dogs now. As you know, I love working with hyper dogs.
So right now it's quite funny, but yep, it's working. So next option is translate. You can translate it to any other language from here. Here are a few options. You just have to choose the language and hit the translate button. So let's change it to Russian. Translate. So now as you can see, the whole text is translated to Russian. Now let's choose voiceover for Russian. Click on choose voiceover again. So there are two options, Maxim and Tatiana. Don't worry, they will add more and more soon. So let's choose Maxim. Select and play.
Это особенно интересно. Хотя, потому что у нас есть тонны больших гиперсобак сейчас. Как вы знаете, я люблю работать с гиперсобакой.
So this is simply awesome. I think this is the best feature of GrabVid. Now let's get back to English. Select English, translate. Let's choose the voiceover again. Now next, choose stunning videos for your content. So you can choose any template for your videos. Let's choose this one. Click on add. Now you can just have to relax and GrabVid will do all its magic. Audio will be generated with voiceover. Even GrabVid automatically extracts the audio from video and transcribe it and convert it into auto captions using artificial intelligence. So the video is ready with captions and voiceover.
This
Let's
is
play it.
especially interesting though because we have tons of big hyper dogs now. As you know, I love working with hyper dogs, but
So actually it's not bad, right? You know, by tweaking things in voiceover option, the output results can amaze you. So you can move text by dragging it. You can also change subtitles. You can add images, videos and audios from here. You can choose from library, or you can also upload the audio or videos by clicking here and upload files. So you don't have to worry about royalty free soundtracks because it's provided in the bonuses by me. So check out the bonuses, don't forget about it. Now you can add text, stickers, videos, sounds just in few minutes by these options. Okay, also you can resize the videos as per the requirements, like for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, for your stories, articles or ads. So this is a totally helpful option in this. You don't have to worry about the exact dimensions for videos. GrabVid will handle this for you. Now click on next, and from here you can re-edit the video or simply render it. So that's all about the software. I would recommend this software as the whole system is incredibly easy to use even for newbies. The AI functionality and add voiceovers in any language is pretty cool and surely will help you with your business, because videos incorporate audios and visual elements are appealing to multiple sense. They are necessary to attract customers. Okay, also as this is a cloud-based software, so you don't need any high-end systems, and obviously one click resize video option is amazing to upload videos to Facebook, Twitter or other social handles, so you can easily share your videos with the world and instantly go viral. You get permanent access to GrabVid in just $37 for personal and GrabVid commercial in $47 for lifetime. Also you can actually get my premium level bonuses absolutely free even if you buy only front end. It will increase the value and makes this deal a no-brainer. Okay, so let's talk about the upsells and price. There are no monthly charges. Each and every upgrade is for lifetime. OTO number 1, GrabVid Unlimited. It will cost $67. You can create as many videos as you want. There is no daily, weekly or monthly limit. This is perfect if you also want to utilize the commercial license to create unlimited videos for yourselves and others. Okay, you can get this OTO as Unlimited Lite in just $37. OTO number 2, GrabVid DFY Template Club. For unlimited templates, it will cost $97. You should go for this OTO as it is one of the best OTO for those who want to make videos for others and want to sell it. With one-time upgrade, they are offering you unlimited templates, at least 1000 right now, okay, and 2000 plus planned in the next 6 months. So with all these templates, you will have more than enough ready-made templates in place to service the needs of any clients that comes your way. You can also get this OTO in just $47 also, but for 1000 templates. Okay, OTO number 3, GrabVid Agency. It will cost $197 for 100 sub accounts or $297 for 500 sub accounts. So to get the GrabVid and premium level bonuses, check the link in description below. There are discounted coupon also. I hope you like GrabVid review video. Bye bye, take care, keep growing, and I will see you in my next video.